This is TrendTalkTube, exploring Sapiens by Yuval Noah Harari and its celebrity endorsements. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Sapiens, A Brief History of Humankind by Yuval Noah Harari. This thought-provoking book has captivated readers around the globe, including some of the biggest names in entertainment and technology. Let's explore its key themes and why it resonates with so many influential figures. Sapiens takes us on a journey through human history, starting from our origins as insignificant animals to becoming the dominant species on Earth. Harari identifies three major revolutions that shaped humanity. The cognitive revolution, 70,000 years ago. This pivotal moment allowed Homo sapiens to develop complex language and share imagined realities, myths, religions, and social constructs that enabled large-scale cooperation. The agricultural revolution, 12,000 years ago. While agriculture allowed for population growth, Harari argues it led to a decline in individual well-being. People worked harder for less diverse diets and faced new anxieties. The scientific revolution, 500 years ago. This era marked a shift towards admitting ignorance and seeking knowledge, paving the way for technological advancements that continue to shape our world today. Here are some key takeaways from Sapiens. Storytelling is crucial for large-scale cooperation. The agricultural revolution was a luxury trap, leading to more work and less happiness. Money, imperialism, and religion have unified humankind into a global society. Despite advancements, modern humans may not be significantly happier than our ancestors. Sapiens has garnered attention from numerous celebrities who appreciate its insights into human nature. Here are a few notable fans. Bill Gates. The tech mogul has recommended Sapiens multiple times, praising its ability to spark deep conversations about our past. Mark Zuckerberg, the Facebook co-founder, has also endorsed the book, highlighting its relevance in today's interconnected world. Barack Obama, the former president, included Sapiens in his reading lists, showcasing its impact on influential leaders. In conclusion, Sapiens offers a profound exploration of what it means to be human. It challenges our perceptions of progress and happiness while providing insights that resonate with both everyday readers and prominent figures alike. If you haven't read it yet, it's definitely worth adding to your reading list. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and let us know your thoughts on Sapiens in the comments below. What did you find most intriguing? Until next time.